Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. The owner of this marvelous Saint and country estate can trace their family back to the early 1800s. This 11 plus acre property with unfinished 7-bedroom, 7-bathroom, 3-story house is situated in the Dry Harbor Mountains Plateau with a structurally sound 19th century heritage cottage, some 2,200 feet above sea level. 45 minutes drive downhill to the beautiful beaches of Puerto Seco, Runaway Bay, and beyond to St. Anne's Bay and Ocho Rios. Lush green and rainforest creatures from baby iguanas to owls perching at night. Birdsong is continuous while sitting on the various verandas. You can count the many species as they feed on the stunning flora and fauna. The 360-degree views span 2 parishes. Many famous Jamaicans call the Dry Harbor Mountains home from time to time. Most famously of all, Bob Marley and Mr. Calypso, Arabella Fante, enjoy fresh produce growing on the land: coffee, grapefruit, oranges, avocado, passion fruit, lime, custard apple, and banana, gifted from rich, fertile, and fruitful soil. Guys, let's take a look at this property, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this estate is 1.5 million pounds, US $1.95 million, or Jamaican $301.3 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.